Ce qui me plaît dans le Grand Moncton, c'est qu'on a une économie qui est viable et en croissance. L'influx d'immigration du nord-est, nord-ouest de la province et même l'influx des immigrés nous assure qu'on a toujours une croissance de l'économie de construction résidentielle. Et même le fait que les résidents, les gens qui sont originaires de Moncton choisissent à rester à Moncton aussi.
Well, the Greater Moncton area, they've given us a tremendous talent pool. So when we talk about talent pool, we look at different things like you have your culture, you have your multilingual support, but you have a very educated talent pool in the Greater Moncton area. It's allowed us to grow our business, so we've been able to over double in size in the last 2 years, and that's because of the talent pool. And we're very fortunate for it, and we work with the local universities as well to bring in different programs and allow us to be able to develop people into careers rather than just a job.
One of the huge benefits that we gain from Enterprise Greater Moncton is that we have the opportunity for the business community to speak with one voice. Whether we're out recruiting, whether we're out promoting ourselves to the local governments, provincial governments, federal governments, we have the ability to speak as one community, and that's a huge benefit when it comes to doing business.